All right, guys, welcome back. We got a really cool unboxing we're going to do here now. We're going to take a look at the 4 terabyte memory card for the Xbox or the Xbox Series S or X. So I'm pretty excited about this because we're out of memory. So it's time that we were able to increase our storage capacity without sacrificing gameplay, for those of you who are familiar with that. Before we check this out, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit that like button. Give us a thumbs up. Of course, do not forget to hit the bell icon. Check out our other videos. We have a ton of fantastic content. We have a ton of content that's severely underrated. So definitely check out our other videos. If you haven't read my book yet, you definitely need to check this out. This is the second best book ever written. Motivational, educational, inspirational, packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. And yes, it's a great and fun and entertaining read. I promise you, even if you don't like to read, you will love this book. Links are going to be below in the description, so definitely check this out. And for those of you interested in cryptocurrency, definitely check out Texitcoin. Now, as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, but I am saying you should do your due diligence. You should check into Texitcoin. Check into the founder, Bobby Gray. This guy's been involved in cryptocurrency for years and years, testified before Congress about the need for a transparent and honest cryptocurrency, digital currency back in 2012. And you can purchase your own miner, or 2, or 9. So definitely check this out. 2 links are going to be below in the description for this. One is going to be for Texitcoin's official website. Second is going to be our personal referral link. So if you do decide to participate and purchase your own miner, it's a one-time fee. You get paid every 24 hours for the next 137 years, the rest of your life. You can leave it to your children, your grandchildren. Kind of a cool idea if you think about it for cryptocurrency, getting paid every 24 hours for the rest of your life. So definitely check it out. 2 links below in the description. But let's check out the goods here. Now, just came in the mail today. Wow. Of course, we had to remove some of the personal information here, right? For, the purposes, right? But there we go. Tracking number ends in whatever it is there. Okay. And look at this. We actually got the old school one. This is the one we currently have in the Series X. So, and I don't know why this says here, limited series, like they're going to quit producing them. Yeah, right. They also put that, if I'm not mistaken, on the 4 terabyte version, like it's limited edition, limited to like 200 million copies or whatever. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. But anyway, this thing works great. I'm glad I got it, but I literally have probably maybe 100, just over 100 gigs left. So, you get one large game, one large file, and that's it. You're done. Or I may not even be able to put one large file on it the way it is right now. So that's why we got this. So we're going to unbox this, and of course this is completely sealed. But I'm excited because I want to actually get that extra memory and have a couple extra terabytes available for storage. Should have got the tools of the trade here. Bear with me. So here we go with the, wow, this thing is really taped up shut good, man. I mean, I can't even get in here. It's childproof. Wow, look at this. Where am I supposed to even, I guess I gotta do it on the sides here. It's really taped shut good. Wow. Probably should have like a razor to cut this thing open, because this thing is really, wow, this thing is, they had to make this difficult, didn't they? But I got this for a decent price, by the way. I think I paid out the door about $474. I'm sorry, $374, not $474. That wouldn't have been that good of a deal. $374 out the door total. So could have been worse. And I know over time these will probably almost certainly decrease in price. But again, I've been sitting on a full 2 terabyte card here for months and months and months, probably maybe even the last couple of years. But here we go, 4 terabyte. They packed it well. Plenty of packing material, including the bubble wrap. But the
Packages are very similar. Of course, they're both made by Seagate, the same manufacturer. So 4 terabyte solid state drive. Let's open this up. And again, you got the fake limited edition to induce you into FOMO. You know FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Limited series. Limited what? What's the limited? Oh, I get Game Pass. So you can get addicted to Game Pass and pay Microshaft every month in perpetuity to not own anything and be happy. So don't do Game Pass. Buy your own games like I do. All right. Well, you can do what you want with your money, but I'm just saying I wouldn't buy big Game Pass. All right. Let's open this up here. Oh, this thing is like, they don't make this easy, do they? No, they don't. This thing is really not consumer friendly. You basically have to tear the package apart just to open it. Toss out the residual components there. And it's kind of a large box for such a small product, to be honest. All right, there it is. Now, I don't anticipate any issues here, but hopefully this thing works properly. Wow, you can't even get it out of this box. How do you even get it out of this box? Or is there a pull tab here? What's this? No, wow, that's great. Okay, well, packaged quite poorly in my opinion. And what do you got here? Some Xbox advertisements. Yeah, so obviously to increase your storage capacity with an Xbox Series S or X, you have to literally disassemble almost the entire console, voiding your warranty. Good luck getting it back together in one piece, and much less having it work. So this is what they do. There it goes. Okay, well, popped out. Sony, on the other hand, will allow you to just remove one of the panels, remove another screw or two, and install a solid-state drive from a PC, which is so much better. But, you know, Microshaft, they need money, so they have their own proprietary card with Seagate, so they can make more money, because why not? They're Microshaft. Make more money. It's all about the money. I get it, but... Okay, what's this? What's this say here? Let's see what this says. Okay, check for an update before inserting the card. And it looks like they also have it in what appears to be French. I don't speak French, but it appears to be French. So we're going to remove this. And there's a little seal on here, I guess, to protect the part that gets inserted into the back of the console. So we'll do another quick video here. But yeah, it's relatively small, as you can see. Fits in your hand, right? Very nice. Nice to have that 4 terabytes. But I suppose if they're doing micro SD cards, which are like the size of my thumbnail here, and they got 2 terabytes, they should be able to do a 4 terabyte version of this, obviously. Maybe even an 8 terabyte. Imagine what that would cost. So we'll take maybe a look. Maybe we'll do another video here. We'll see what happens. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And check out our other videos.
We're here in the man cave, and of course, we're gonna be checking out our games. Let's check out our library real quick. Yeah, so as you can see, we got a lot of games, 195 games installed, apps. I don't know what all these apps are. I guess, well, some of them, okay. How's there a Killer Instinct app that's a game? I don't understand. Okay, so 195 games. Of course, some are larger, some are smaller. And you kind of go down the list, yeah. So we got a pretty good list of games here. But if you notice on the bottom right, all storage. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to do it this way. 142 gigabytes free. So not a lot of storage left. Not much at all, in fact. So we're low on storage. That's why we got this 4 terabyte Seagate memory expansion card. And what do we got here? Updates. More updates. Wow. what else we got? Free up space. So what I'm going to have to do is, wow, I'm going to have to transfer, once I get the new 4 terabyte card in here, I'm going to have to transfer the games from one to the other, from one expansion card to the other. I think what I'm going to end up doing is getting a external USB drive, plugging it in. Actually, I do have a couple of them here. So I'll plug an external USB drive in, transfer the games from the internal memory card to the external USB drive, put in the new memory card, and then transfer the games back. Otherwise, downloading another nearly 2 terabytes of information is going to, number one, put us way over our data list. We only have 1.2 terabytes monthly. Yeah, we don't have the unlimited plan here for our ISP. I could do that, but then it probably would take probably at least 3 months to do, which is kind of ridiculous. So we'll end up doing it that way, with the transferring the games to the external drive, plugging in a new card, and then transferring the games back to the internal drive, the new one. So we have our Xbox here, our Series X. By the way, this was the Game Pass card that was included with the 4 terabyte expansion card from Seagate. So it's only for 1 month, so I don't even know if it's even going to get used. Maybe I'll give it away or whatever, I don't know. But pretty easy to install this. I'm going to show you guys, even though you probably don't need to be shown. It's almost like common sense, right? You just plug it in. But we got to remove the old one, of course. It's in the back here. Doesn't stick out too much, you know. It just sticks out a little bit. And when you got this thing on the shelf, like I do, or on a TV stand, obviously you don't even notice it. So the compact design is actually very welcome, obviously. But there it is right there. This is actually the, and of course I shut this thing down before unplugging it. You should always shut it down. But this, of course, is the 2 terabyte, which is labeled here on the end, 2 terabyte card. And I'm pretty sure I should have the little covering for it in the box here, in the original box, because I tend to save pretty much everything. I take really good care of everything. So I should have the cover for this in the box. But this is, again, 2 terabyte. Obviously, it's going to look, or should look, identical to the 4 terabyte version here. It'd be nice, what would really be cool is if they had more than one slot in the console, so you could actually plug in 2 of these, or if there was some sort of an adapter where you could plug in multiple memory cards. So now I wouldn't have to sell the old one, right? I could just add 4 terabytes to what I already have. I would love to do that. Or if you just got a 2 terabyte card, you could add another 2 terabytes and still have 4 terabytes extra. But obviously they won't let you do that because they want you to spend more money, keep spending money on Microshaft. Why not? So you just plug it into the slot there. That's it. Ready to go. Well, kind of. It's probably going to be formatted or whatever. But I'm going to have to turn this thing back. I'm going to have to remove it and put the other one in so I can transfer the data, as I mentioned, from this card to an external USB drive, and then plug this card in and then transfer everything from the external USB card to the 4 terabyte expansion card. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for liking, watching, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time. Whoa, I thought we were done. Guys, we're not done. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is crazy. I just wanted to show you this. Not that it really matters that much, but I just noticed this. Look at this. There is a size difference between the 2 and the 4 terabyte. Right? Expansion cards. There's literally, I didn't notice that. So this one, the 4 terabyte, obviously is a little bit larger. You can see by how much there. Not a lot, but a little bit, yeah. So it's going to stick out. It sticks into the console the same. The inserted portion is the same, but the external component is going to be slightly larger. So keep that in mind.
I guess if you have really limited space, you may want to be aware of that. That's probably not going to affect 98% of us, but just keep that in mind. So it is a little bit larger. Now I can do the outro and say thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and now we will see you next time.